I think we need a little vanilla always, right? About that much? Got the vanilla?
What about the chocolate?
And what's next? Eggs? Where are the eggs? Let's stir. You want to stir? Here. Ready? Just stir. Can you stir that for me? Stir that good. Stir. Can you stir? There you go. Good. Yes. Stir it good. Here. Ready? Good. Stir. Stir some more. You stirring good? Stirring good? Let's see. You gotta stir it really good. There you go. We're stirring the eggs. Ready? Okay, stir in the eggs. There you go. That's right. Huh? Can't you touch eggs? Are you eggless? There we go.
Okay, get your spoon.
Get your spoon. Stir it up. You gotta beat them. That's beating. Beat, 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 beat. Can you do that? Stir it up good. Here. Done cooking.